Hello, good evening. The moon is so bright right now, and what I can really do right now is simply to look at it and appreciate it. Appreciate this moment. And I'm reminded of the value of monotasking. And monotasking like this, just the ability to look at it, to embrace its beauty. It enhances our focus and productivity. And in a world that glorifies multitasking, doing A, B, C all at the same time, when we embrace monotasking, I think this was really the way God intended us to live our lives. Honestly, this is the intention of God for us to monotask, to just do things one at a time. I really believe that because it allows you to immerse yourself fully in one task at a time. And this approach really reduces mental clutter. It really reduces stress, and it leads a higher quality of work. And for me, my creativity also increases when I do monotasking. And just dedicating your full attention to one thing at a time. That's how you maximize the time. That's my opinion. All right. And I really believe it leads to a richer life. And I'm quite satisfied at this moment right now. The moon is so beautiful, and I'm just here to immerse in it.